International Monetary Funds. The International Monetary Funds is an international organization of 189 countries working to foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and reduce poverty around the world. It now plays a central role in the management of balance of payment difficulties and international financial crisis. The IMF also works to improve the economies of its member countries. IMF हमें फाइनेंस स्टेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड कराता है और 189 कंट्रीज की. The organization objectives stated in the Article of Agreements are to promote international monetary cooperation, international trade, high employment, exchange rate stability, sustainable economic growth, and making resources available to member countries in financial difficulties. ये हमें इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी प्रोवाइड कराता है, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड प्रोवाइड कराता है, हाई एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड कराता है, एक्सचेंज रेट स्टेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड कराता है, एंड मैनी थिंग. Other objective includes to facilitate the expansion and balanced growth of international trade, to establish a multilateral system of payments. Facts. Abbreviation IMF, short form is IMF बोलते हैं. Formation, ये 7 जुलाई 1944 को फॉर्म हुआ था. टाइप इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन है ये. पर्पस, promote international monetary cooperation, facilitate international trade, foster sustainable economic growth, and make resources available to members experiencing balance of payment difficulties. हेडक्वार्टर वाशिंगटन DC यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में है. मेंबरशिप 189 कंट्रीज़ के पास है. मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर क्रिश्चियन लैगेडे. मेन ऑर्गन बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर. पेरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनाइटेड नेशंस. and staff 2700. Functional departments. Functions. The IMF has 3 principal functions and activities: surveillance of finance and monetary conditions and its member countries and the world economy, financial assistance to help country overcome major balance of payment problems, and technical assistance and advisory service to member countries. It works to foster global growth and economic stability. It helps to achieve macroeconomic stability and reduce poverty. The IMF provides alternate source of financing. And the many functions you see in this PPT. Purpose of IMF: promote international monetary cooperation, exchange and balance growth of international trade, promote exchange rate stability, foster economic growth and high level of employment, temporary financial assistance to country to help the balance of payment adjustment. Success of IMF: international monetary cooperation, the reconstruction of European countries, multilateral system of foreign payments, increase in international liquidity, increase in international trade, special aid to developing countries, provide statistical information helpful in time of difficulties, easiness and flexibilityness in making international payments. Failure: lack of stability in exchange rate, lack of stability in the price of gold, rich nation club, no help for development project, no solution of international liquidity, interference in domestic economies, inability to tackle the monetary crisis of August 1971, less aid for developing countries, high rate of interest. India and IMF. India is the founder member of IMF. Earlier, India was made of permanent executive director of the board of directors. At present, India is no longer a permanent director. India is now an elected member of IMF India, ranking the 13th among 185. Thank you.